We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for IELTS Writing Task 2. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're on the main interface, you can start by typing in a prompt related to your IELTS Writing Task 2 topic. For example, you can enter something like, "Write an essay on the advantages and disadvantages of technology in education." Hit enter and let ChatGPT generate a response for you. As you review the generated text, pay attention to the structure, vocabulary, and coherence. These are all important aspects of IELTS writing. If you want to refine the essay, you can ask ChatGPT to make specific changes. For instance, you can type, "Can you make the introduction more concise?" or add more examples to support the main points. This way, you can iteratively improve the essay. Remember that while ChatGPT can help generate ideas and structure, it's crucial to use your own judgment to ensure the essay aligns with IELTS standards. You can also use ChatGPT to practice brainstorming ideas by asking it to list pros and cons or to suggest different perspectives on a topic. Finally, practice writing your own essays based on the input and feedback you get from ChatGPT. Over time, this approach will help you enhance your writing skills and prepare effectively for the exam. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.